everyone, this is Rushikesh. Today I'll be presenting a VR museum which I've developed. Here you can experience the solar system in VR. Let's start. So here's the welcome screen. Using the controller, I just click on this button. So here, as you can see, there was nothing on this pedestal, but once I walked near it, it showed the image of the sun. So if I come more close, here you can see the 3D model. So I've implemented LOD group for each of these models, and only when you are very close to this pedestal, then you'll be able to see this 3D model. As you go farther away from it, the model will disappear. This is good for optimization, as the model doesn't need to be rendered as long as you are not close to it. So these are some images. And here we have a canvas. We have a video here as well. So just click on this video.
The birth of the sun. The sun formed about 4.6 billion years ago in a giant spinning cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. As the nebula collapsed under its own gravity, it spun.
I just close the video and continue with this presentation. So let's go over here. I'll teleport over here using this back button on the controller. So here we have Mars, and you can see so as long as I am close to it, 3D model has appeared. So I've done this for every model that is placed over here. Also, as you can see here, this is just an image, but it feels as if it is pointing at you. So I've set up a look at constraint for these sprites. So one more thing that I have done over here is you can see instructions as long as you press the D button. So your C is a toggle moment. So when you press C, you will toggle from joystick to teleportation, but currently both are enabled. You can interact with this laser pointer that you can see. There's a joystick. You'll be able to see it properly sideways. And I have currently pressed down D so you can see the instructions. If I let go of D, then these instructions canvas closes. There's one more thing that I have implemented over here. And if you point the laser at this model and press the upper back button, you'll be teleported to a spaceship which will rotate around the planet. So here as well, I'll press the instructions, and as you can see, press the A button to return to the museum.